Saurabh Mukherjea is with us, founder at Marcellus Investment Managers. He's a market master of the day. Saurabh, good morning. Great to have you with us here. Happy Diwali. And greetings of the festive season from all of us here at CNBC TV 18 to you, your team at Marcellus. How are things looking, Saurabh, from an overall kind of market structure point of view? The consensus kind of bet which many are making is twofold. One, large caps are better placed than small and mid caps. Two, financials, which have are the place to be. It's almost like a no-brainer. Do you agree with those two statements, that point of view? Go on.
Saurabh, can you hear me? I can hear you now, Prashant.
Okay, I'll repeat. Let me first wish you a very happy Diwali, Saurabh, and greetings of the festive season. I began with that, so it's good to see you this morning. I was asking you, the consensus in market seems to be twofold. One, that large caps will do better than mid and small caps, and second, financials are the place to be. They're a no-brainer. Do you agree with both those?
I think let me start with the piece on large caps. I would love to say that if I look at, say, consistent compound risk portfolio, which is primarily large cap, I'd love to say they'll do really well. But the thing is, if you look at the setup in the market, the export-centric small caps, companies whose products tend to get sold in the Western world, or companies that are competing with Chinese export, those companies have been beaten up quite badly in the small cap space. So I would say large caps will do well relative to small caps, subject to the caveat, where I think that as the global economy recovers over the next couple of years, companies in IT services, companies in specialty chemicals, pharmaceuticals, which have strong export franchises, I think we'll see the comeback through 2024-25. That apart, I agree with the core point that we've had a 3-4 year period, 3-year period in India, where, say, just to take an extreme example, an HDFC Bank is compounding earnings at 20-25% year after year, and I think it's barely given any returns over a 3-year period. Similarly, say a Kotak Bank, similarly an Asian Paints, and therefore the point that high-quality large caps are extremely tastily, extremely juicily priced, I would agree with that core point.